Alright guys, got these inner quarters. Well, passenger one is fully welded and the driver's side is half. Ran out of welding gas, so I'm gonna have to go get some tomorrow after work. But as you can see, well, I don't know if you can actually tell on camera without the trunk, but these are mini tubs. Had to take the wheels off so I can fish them in there. Drop the frame down. That way I can get these up in there. If not, it would have been a hassle trying to get them up there, but it's all welded except for that side. So up here is pretty thin right here, so I'm gonna have to patch, make a little patch piece right there. That shouldn't be too big of a deal. But yeah, so I'll get this side welded tomorrow, and then I'm gonna cut the tail pan out and the dog legs, slide the trunk pan in, and I'll probably do the trunk pan. That way it'll set the distance side to side just in case it bowed in at the bottom. Then I'll do the tail pan, dog legs, and then the floor will be after that. So it's coming along. A lot of work. What's going on, guys? Back out here in the garage. Didn't film putting the trunk pan in, but it's just clamped in. It's not welded. But got the back two bushings in, and the trunk pan only has the back two, when the floor, or the next two I should say, are right there, right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the rest of the floor out, slide the floor in, that way it'll tell me whether or not this needs to come up or down. Then I'll weld it in. So that way I don't weld it in, get the floor in, I have to recut it out or cut some of the spot welds. I think it'd be easier that way. And got some new doors. Found a guy about an hour away. They're all for $57. So the trim holes are in a different spot, but got this one working, latched. Opens and shuts nice. Now the other side, the car came with a tote of parts, but it did not have the striker plate. So I'm gonna have to try to find one of them. So get you guys set up, and I'll cut this floor out. That way I can slide the new one in. And then tomorrow I'm gonna weld everything at once, since I'll have the welder out. But yeah, get you guys set up and we can get to work. going on, guys? Back out here in the garage. It's a cold one today, about 10 degrees outside. But got the floor all welded in. So I have to weld panels in there because the floor didn't come with the mini tub, but the trunk pan did. So I had to cut it, which is no big deal. But it's welded up front and back. Got new body bushings in it. I do have to patch both sides right there on the corners. No big deal. Flat sheet metal. But trunk pan's all welded in. Inner quarters are welded in. All welded up under there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but